Hey, what's going on? Aaron Chen here. Hope you are doing well. If you're watching this video right now, you might be checking out Wealthy Affiliate, okay? And you're wondering, should you join Wealthy Affiliate? Is this the right program that's going to teach you how to become a great affiliate marketer? How does it work? What is it actually teaching you, the strategy? And is it really worth your time? All right, so let's talk all about Wealthy Affiliate today, and then you can decide whether or not you want to invest in this program. Now, first of all, Wealthy Affiliate is one of the oldest affiliate training programs out there. They've been around since 2015, created by two gentlemen from Canada, Carson and Kyle, very successful affiliate marketers. And actually the Wealthy Affiliate community is huge. I mean, they've got millions of students, okay, just piled up over the years, right? And if you come to their website, it looks very good. I mean, it's very professional. And they talk about building websites and how you can basically go into different niches and drive links to your stuff, and that's how you can become a great affiliate marketer, right? And just to kind of summarize it quickly, all affiliate marketing is when you sell other retailers' products, okay? So they could be physical products from Amazon, it could be digital software, it could be digital training, and the main focus of Wealthy Affiliate is to teach you how to build what's called an authority website. Right, so you build out an authority niche website, and then you get it ranked on Google. So when somebody does a search for a particular keyword phrase like, whatever it is, Sony headphones, or a particular name of a training program, your article is going to show up on Google. People are going to click on your article, they're going to go through your article, and then you lead them to whatever affiliate offer that you want to sell. That's essentially what Wealthy Affiliate does. It teaches you how to build a blog or a website that you can rank on Google. That's it, okay? Now, let's actually talk a little bit about the platform, the cost, and all that kind of stuff, and what you're really going to learn inside. So first of all, they've got a free training program. It's a 7-day course, which is great. It's always nice when affiliate marketing training programs have something for free. But the free course doesn't really teach you much. All right, so it's free. It's for 7 days. But if you really want to learn how to build an authority site, you need to pay for the course, okay? The good news is with Wealthy Affiliate, it's not expensive. Now, they've got a few different tools that are a little bit more expensive, but their basic program is actually very cheap. So the premium Wealthy Affiliate program starts off at $19 US a month, and then after the first month, it goes to $49 per month. So if you were to stay a member with a Wealthy Affiliate for a while, I mean, you're paying $49 a month basically for as long as you need it for, right? That's not expensive at all. For an affiliate marketing training program, it's actually very, very cheap, okay? Now, the question though is, what do you get for $49 per month, okay? Well, the thing is that with Wealthy Affiliate, is basically going to teach you how to build out a website, okay? So it's going to teach you how to build out a website that looks something like this. So, a very simple website, and I'm just going to close this down here. And you're going to basically write different articles, and it's going to be just a simple website like that where people are going to kind of find it on Google, okay? And that's essentially what they're teaching you how to do. The only problem is that the information on the training is very, very outdated. Okay, that's one of the biggest complaints that a lot of people have, is that they haven't changed or updated any of the training since 2015. Now, when it comes to building an authority website on the internet, 7 years at the time of recording this video, all right, is a very, very long time when it comes to search engine optimization, because that's what Wealthy Affiliate is teaching you. They're teaching you how to be found on the Google search when somebody types out a specific keyword phrase. Now, Google changes their algorithm all the time. Google's literally updating their algorithm every single week, okay? So if you are learning something from a training portal and the information is not updated for the current year, and we're talking about search engine optimization where Google is trying to update their algorithm so that people aren't trying to game their system, you can bet you that it's the information that you need needs to be updated. And unfortunately, Wealthy Affiliate has very, very old information on SEO. Now, it does teach you some good basic stuff. So they focus on something called white hat, which basically means they're not kind of breaking any of the Google rules. And so it'll teach you how to do things like create site structure, anchor text, backlinking, on-page search engine optimization, and all that basic stuff. But they miss out a lot of details. Okay, so there's a lot of stuff about H1 tags, H2 tags, a lot of technical stuff that they actually don't teach because it's such an outdated piece of training, unfortunately. But the interesting thing about Wealthy Affiliate is that they still continue to advertise it, and they still continue to bring in a lot of brand new members, but yet the information that's actually being taught on the site is very, very old, and it's very outdated. All right. Now, in terms of support and stuff like that, Carson and Kyle will still respond to your questions and queries, but their email support is terrible. All right. They will respond to you via their Facebook group, which is great. But the other thing about their training is that some of the stuff that they teach is questionable. So for example, they teach you how to build your website on something called site rubrics. Okay, site rubrics is basically a way for you to build a site quickly, but they themselves, Carson and Kyle, don't build their website on site rubrics because in order for you to get good rankings on Google, you need to basically have your own domain on your own WordPress blog in order for it to do well. So again, there's some conflicting information there. Again, a little bit old school, and they're trying to teach people how to do stuff quickly, but sometimes the quickest stuff isn't the way that you're going to get results. Okay. Another thing is there's no refunds with Wealthy Affiliate. So if you pay, I know it's not expensive. It's $19 per month for the first month, and then $49 per month. And they have other tools and packages that you can buy that are in the hundreds of dollars. But I just want to talk about their core program. There's no refund on that at all. So it's good and bad. It just depends on who you are. I think that they should have some sort of refund, but they've decided not to have any refund at all. All right. Now, this is the other thing about Wealthy Affiliate that you kind of need to understand, right? The way that it's taught is it's taught for you to build a website and then review other programs and then basically try and get people into Wealthy Affiliate. That's how most wealthy affiliates make money. They rarely sell other products. They actually try and resell Wealthy Affiliate as much as possible. Let me give you a perfect example. So if I was to come into Google and I typed out something like Affiliorama review. Now, Affiliorama is another affiliate marketing training program, right? Now, if you look through Google, you will find that most of these people are actually people that sell Wealthy Affiliate. So if I click on this one, high income source, for example, right? This person right here has obviously done a very good job. They've ranked their blog. Now, this is not built on site rubrics though. They've built it on WordPress, and they've kind of figured out a few things here, okay? Because most wealthy affiliates, they don't even get results like this, right? So if you go through it, he basically reviews the program, and then to make money, they basically try and give you the alternative, which is to learn how to build a blog and rank it on Google, which is basically Wealthy Affiliate. So if I click through this link, he's basically saying, you can see this is all Wealthy Affiliate stuff, right? If I click on it, they are basically teaching you how to sell Wealthy Affiliate. You can see here, this is the Wealthy affiliate page, okay? Now, there are hundreds and thousands of people doing exactly the same thing. So if I come to another, here, if I come to Google again and I type out something like beer surveys, which is a survey website, right? The first website you're gonna find is also a Wealthy affiliate, all right? So if I click on beer surveys review, right? My room is my office, okay? And I was to just shut this down. If I was to go through this, you would see that their number one recommendation is, again, Wealthy Affiliate, all right? So you can see that there are a lot of people reselling Wealthy Affiliate. Okay, click here to create your free account, right? Now, that's not necessarily a bad thing, okay? But just understand that the main objective of a lot of the strategy behind Wealthy Affiliate is to build a blog, write articles about, different programs in the make money space, and then resell Wealthy Affiliate. Now, there is a few problems with that, okay? If you are a very, very good marketer, and you go beyond Wealthy Affiliate, because they don't really teach you how to do all the stuff that these guys are doing here. It's very, very likely that Stefan, for example, and the guy that owns this other website here, High Income Source, they have gone beyond Wealthy Affiliate to learn real SEO, because the information in Wealthy Affiliate is so outdated that it's very difficult to get such high rankings as these guys. So these guys started in Wealthy Affiliate, but they probably beefed up their knowledge in SEO using other programs. Okay, it's very likely. That's why they're getting such high rankings. Because again, the training is so outdated that you're not going to get page 1 rankings with the training that they're teaching you, right? So, number one, it's very competitive because everybody's doing this, and they've got, again, millions of affiliates in Wealthy Affiliate. You have to understand that, and everybody's using the same strategy, right? A lot of them are going into the same niche. which is a problem in and of itself. Okay, the second problem is the Wealthy affiliate program is actually really bad. All right, so if you were to sell Wealthy Affiliate, yes, you can make a little bit of money, but they're only paying out like $121 per sale if people upgrade, and that's actually really little. You're gonna have to make so many $121 sales in order for you to make 10,000 US dollars a month, which is why if you actually go through all the top Wealthy affiliates that are making money, most of them aren't making more than $10,000. A lot of them are making like $3,000, not a lot, I would say, sorry, the top performers are making like $3,000, $4,000, $5,000, $7,000, $8,000. It's all around those numbers, and they've put in an extreme amount of time to build out their websites. But you might be asking yourself, well, you might be saying, well, Aaron, well, isn't $5,000, $6,000, $7,000, $8,000 a lot of money? It is a lot of money, but for the amount of work that these people are putting in, and remember, these are the top affiliates of Wealthy Affiliate, all right? For these people, they're putting in so much work. If they were to sell another affiliate program, they would make automatically way more money, okay? So that's me. I've been marketing online for 14 years. I think the Wealthy affiliate program itself is garbage. It's just, it pays so little money, and you have to work so hard in order to make $7,000-8,000. I mean, all of these top Wealthy affiliates, if they were to sell something else, they'd be making 20, 30, 40, 50,000 US dollars a month easily. Okay, so that's the actual affiliate program, separate to the actual learning of the program itself. So there's a few things here. All right, let's kind of break it down with the pros and cons. The pros is that it's a popular platform, it's cheap, okay, and it does teach you the basics of SEO marketing. All right, so that's a good part. So you will learn how to build out a site, and you'll learn all the very basic parts of search engine optimization. What are the cons? The cons are that it's extremely outdated, which means that in order for you to rank like these guys are ranking right here, it's very unlikely that you're going to learn it through the current program itself, because it's so outdated. Okay, another thing is there's no refunds, and the other con is that most Wealthy affiliates use the same strategy, which means that the competition becomes extremely high, which means that for you as a beginner marketer, it's going to be very difficult for you to rank for this particular strategy. Okay, the other thing that you have to consider as well is that this particular strategy only focuses on ranking on Google. That means that if you can't rank your blog or your website on Google, this strategy doesn't make you any money. Does that make sense, right? So you can't, they don't teach you anything else. They don't teach you things like YouTube marketing or Facebook marketing or TikTok marketing or Instagram Reels, Facebook Reels, YouTube ads, banner advertising, display network, Google search. They don't teach you anything like that. They only teach you to rank your blog on Google, which is a problem because Google always changes their algorithm, which means that if you're ranking on the page 1 today and you don't update your strategy, tomorrow you might be on page 10, which means that you don't get any traffic. Okay, now if you don't get traffic and eyeballs to your website, you're not going to make any sales, and that is, I think, the biggest problem with Wealthy Affiliate. If they kept their program updated, then it would be a great program because it's cheap, and they're popular and they've got a big community. But for some reason, they're not updating their information. And when you don't update your info, especially when you're trying to game the Google algorithm, you will not make money. You're not gonna beat Google because Google is a multi-billion-dollar beast, right? And they're always updating their algorithm, and for some reason these guys are just not updating their training. And so that's, I think, the biggest issue with Wealthy Affiliate. All right, so again, it just depends on who you are. I think it's affordable. I think that at the base level, if you want to learn the basics of SEO, but maybe you're not going to become a great SEO marketer, then you can check out Wealthy Affiliate. But I think that there are much better SEO training courses out there, and also this is a very rigid strategy. Again, it's just it's very narrow focused on ranking your blog on Google. It doesn't teach anything else. It doesn't teach email marketing. It doesn't teach funnel strategy. It doesn't teach any of that stuff. It's just very basic on picking a niche, ranking your blog, and again, the information isn't even updated, and that is a big problem. Okay, so that's kind of my review on Wealthy Affiliate. Again, it's still one of the more popular affiliate marketing trainings out there, but for some reason the owners have just decided not to update their their program at all, which I think is a pity because otherwise it would be quite a decent program. All right, so I hope you enjoyed this review today of Wealthy Affiliate. If you're here though and you're watching this video right now, you're probably looking for a way to maybe make money with affiliate marketing. I've been able to do it, make multiple six figures with affiliate marketing. I do it in a completely different style where you build funnels and you can attract people through all sorts of different traffic strategies, and that's kind of the best. And you really want to funnel them through a process so that it's a lot easier for you to get to big income. You know, I mean, top affiliates and wealthy affiliate, they're making, again, like I mentioned, between $5,000 and maybe $9,000. I mean, top affiliates in my world, where you're doing it the right way, you're making 20, 30, 40, 50,000 US dollars a month or more. Okay, so if you would like to learn how to do that, would love to show you how to do that. I've got a free six-figure workshop that you can check out. If you want, just go ahead and click the link below in the description box or in the comment section, and I hope to see you on the training or another video. Take care and all the best to you.